In this video, I'll show you how to tag someone on Facebook so they get notified and your post is linked to their profile. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap Create Post at the top of your feed to start a new post. Now type your message in the text box. When you want to tag someone, type the @ symbol and then start typing the person's name. Facebook will show a list of matching profiles. Tap the correct name from the list to add the tag to your post. The person's name will now appear highlighted in the text, which means they are tagged. You can also tag someone in a photo by adding the photo to your post and tapping the Tag People option before posting. Select the person from your friends list and place the tag on the photo. After finishing your post, tap Post to share it. The person you tagged will receive a notification and the tag will link to their profile. That's how you can easily tag someone on Facebook using the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.